Welcome to Digital Zen. In this video, we will take a look at our newest budget tracker. So let's get started. This is the main template. As you can see, it is blank right now. You can rename this sheet to anything you want. Next, I will collapse this menu bar. Now, I will begin to add some items to this template. Here, I will only add items that occur each month. I can fine-tune this budget later on. For the bills and debt section, I will just add the item name and budget. Don't add the due date here. Now, let's create a duplicate of this template. Next, let's rename this tab. I will rename mine to May 2024. Next, I will enter the start and end date. I can open this date picker by double-clicking on the cell. If I have an opening balance, I will enter it here. Now, let's fine-tune this budget. I can add or remove items. I can also adjust the budget amount. Next, let's add the due dates for bills and budget. Double-click on the cell to open this date picker. I will quickly add all the due dates. I will scroll back to the top and show you the dashboard. We can see our available cash balance here. If we look at our cash flow summary, you will notice the numbers have updated automatically. If we look at the budget availability section, you will see the budget available for each category. Again, all the amounts here update automatically. Next, take a look at this notifications section. It provides us with important information about our budget. Next, this calendar section highlights due dates for us. It will also highlight the current date. If there's a payment due today, it will be highlighted in red. Now, let's record a few transactions. As I'm recording the transaction, you will notice the cash balance, and these charts are being updated automatically. I will quickly add a few more transactions. If I scroll down, you will see the daily expense overview and chart. Next, let me show you the bills section. You can see the bills have been automatically marked completed. Next, take a look at the notifications section. You will see the counter at 13, also 9 bills are due. Now let's record one more transaction and come back here. Under the bills section, maintenance has automatically been marked complete. Also, the notification counter has dropped to 12. Now, let's add more transactions. As I am adding these transactions, you will notice this expense section. This section will indicate if I have gone over budget. It will also show what % of my budget I have utilized. This here shows the total amount I have spent till date. As you can see, the % and actual amount has updated automatically. Next, let's take a look at the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard has also updated. If we take a look at the top, we will see a quick overview. Here, we can see the actual amount spent and % of budget utilized. Under a specific category, along with a progress chart. We can also see the spend pattern under the category. Next, under the total cash outflow chart, you will notice this drop-down. From here, you can choose between 2 different chart options. You can also hover over the chart to see details. Next, you will also notice a drop-down for the available balance. From here, you can switch between available and unallocated budget charts. The income source section shows you visualization about your income. Next, if we look at the budget versus actual spend section, you again have an option to choose between various visuals. In this section, if you hover over the chart, you will see the total category-wise amount spent till date. As you can see, we are budgeting for May. Let's see what happens if we record a date, which is outside of May. Example, if I change this due date to June 2nd, 2024, the date gets highlighted. Also, you will see an update in the notifications section. If we record a transaction which is out of date, the same thing will happen. The date gets highlighted. And there's an update in the notifications section. Now, I will fix the due date and the transaction date. You can use this spreadsheet for the next period. You can right-click on the template and click on Copy to. Click on New Spreadsheet. Click on Open Spreadsheet. Now, I will rename this sheet to the next period or month. Alternatively, we can create a duplicate of the template. Now, I will rename this tab to the next period or month. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Happy budgeting!